Hello everyone, welcome to this demonstration of the Thawani payment gateway integration in Odoo with support for the OMR currency. In this video, we'll walk through the complete flow of using Thawani as a payment provider. So for the first step here, I have already configured my database and now I'm just going to the website module and under the configuration tab, I just have to enable the Thawani payment gateway. So here I have already configured it. Now I'm navigating to the home page and I'm just going to the shop page and adding product to the cart. So here you can see the OMR currency is reflected here. I'm just going to check out for the product. Here you can see we are not published the OMR currency, so we have to publish it first. I'm just going to check out for the same and you can see the payment method is reflected here and I'm just going to pay for the product. And here you will see the wizard will open. Here we have to enter the details for the Thawani test cards. So here you can see I have already added the details and I'm just going to proceed my payment. So here I have to add the OTP for the same. So here you can see our payment is made successful and our order is completed. Now I'm just going to navigate to the website module. Under the configuration, you can see the payment transactions. You can see our recently made transaction is reflected over here. You can check the provider reference as well as one sale order is automatically created for the same for the product we have selected. I'm just navigating to the payment page and if customer wants to get the refund for the same they have to click on this refund smart button and I'm just going to proceed it. Here on the top of the page you can see the two smart buttons are reflected and one for the sale order and one for the refund we have made. So here you can check your refund details. Thank you.